Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about mean, median and mode. Okay, so these are the terms we are going to discuss today. We have already studied about mean, median and mode. These are the basic upgraded form of the mean, median and mode. Okay, so in machine learning, there are often three values that are interested us. That is mean, the average value, median, the midpoint value, and the mode is the most common value. These are the basic terms we have already studied in our schools and everywhere. So we are going to work on these terms only. Fine. So here I have mentioned one example in which the speed value is already mentioned. There are 13 cars, speed value is mentioned. So what is the average, middle, and the most common value for this? Okay, so we have to find the mean, median, and mode for this value. Okay. For example, let me just mention all the values here. Okay, I have mentioned all the values here. I have to find the terms mean, median, and mode. First, let me write the x numpy dot mean, and what is that? Speed. Okay, and then print of x. Fine. So it will help me to find the mean of this value. So that is 89.769. So 89 here, the mean value for this is 89.769. Okay, these are the terms how to use it. Fine, I hope you understood this much. This is the basic term how we used to work in our uh, school times and college time. That is how we need to do. Okay, that is how you can find the mean value. The second thing we are going to have is to find the middle value. How to find the middle value here if you are having the numbers? So middle value is 86 or 87. Fine. So that is how. In case of the middle value, you just add this number and you will get the average value of that. So that is how we need to work on. Let me see if we are going to get like this or not. Let me just write median here. Let me reload it. Now on screen, you can see that we get the 86 here. So 87 here. So that is our middle value. Let me just write here, change it again. And all these things are errors. So let me mention here. So now I got the mode value. That is how you can find the mode value. So these are the three kinds of method. That is how you can get the mean, median, and mode. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.